is now. Fuck. What the fuck? One thing about Focus drivers is they can't turn. They're fucking really shit at turning.
No, it's not the drivers.
It's the drivers.
Look at the steering wheel. Watch this. Ready? This is ready. Full lock.
Right, that's just excuses. They're really bad,
bro,
and they can't do anything.
Right? This color and then that. Look, it goes dark to light.
It does, bro. We are the LGBTQ.
Fucking RSs, man.
Freaking star.
You chopped me.
-2.
Why?
No, I'm joking.
He chopped me, apparently.
So this guy has a fake RS, and he thinks he's cool, but realistically he's not cool.
He is cool.
I'm joking. I love him. Oh my god! The RS turning circle once again.
It strikes again.
AJ's the odd one out.
I know.
Bro, look how sexy that looks. God damn. God damn. God damn. Bro, look at the Volvo. Did you see it? So freaking loud.
I know, everything's so loud.
People
and you
probably
thought Honda Civic owners were bad.
Legit, actually. What the hell?
But to be honest, there's one with us, so 2.
Look at
that. Look at that yellow. Looks
It's
mad.
popping. It's popping right now.
Oh, that dip is low.
He definitely scraped.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, he's whipping. What is this guy doing, bro? Freaking cyclist, bro. He's in the toge, bro. He's in the 2K.
Bro, the way this thing's corners.
Oh! Shit! Goddamn! Hey, yo!
That was insane, bro. I just went sideways, bro. It's drift mode. I wasn't even in drift mode, but I was in drift mode. Everybody's.
Oh my god. Ah! God damn! Oh shit! Hey.
It's the big
God damn.
No, because I bought it from ETS, yeah? And then I'm like, oh dude, I made a mistake. Can you give me a black one instead of this one? And they were like, oh, look, we don't have any black ones in stock, but I can give you the race one for free. I was like, yeah. You're like, okay. I was like, I don't give a shit, I'll quit, yeah.
Then ask me where my RS is.
You still a hatch, right? Nah, mate, you chop every one of these.
Maybe on a road trip.
Yeah, a road trip around Australia, you will chop them all. Dude, this is a freaking big deal.
Wait. What the fuck are you spending like? Oh fuck, my foot's cramping.
Dedication for photos. Josh, do the thing.
Look at the gimbal legs.
do the gimbal legs.
Wait, how you do it like this?
So you gotta like, oh, come on, introduce that to Volkswagen, mate. Fucking need some content. I can't do it. Let's get him.
You gotta go lower, bro. Us not sticking out, you're not doing it correctly.
Yeah, true. Okay.
Mine's quiet. Listen.
There. It's quiet. It's quiet. It'll still chop your GTI.
Yeah.
Slam it.
Do you want?
What do you want?
Your car's not gonna get. In the
I don't care.
Are you sure you don't want?
No, I don't mind.
Yeah, you don't.
Bro, this is an underrated fucking roller machine. I've never gotten rollers in this before.
Well, it's the first time, buddy.
I've got to shoot after this. I'm going to get one of the other guys that are going to drive the Volvo, and we're going to go on the
We have seatbelts.
Oh yeah, click yourself in.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just, I don't know. Wait, is this a 3.2?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, this thing's fucking gangster.
Bro, did you not see me skid it?
No, yeah, I know, but I didn't realize it was a 3.2.
Bro, people underestimate the Volvo.
Yeah, I know. This
Sex
is gangster,
wagon.
bro. This thing's a fucking.
It is. It's a sex wagon.
You do realize this is like the lowest performance mode.